is a day in the life of a pregnant person under quarantine. Breakfast time. I just finished breakfast. Cameron's still eating and watching his favorite Daniel Tiger. Cameron wants me to sit with him on the couch. I still have to clean up from breakfast. This is where we're at. He likes to eat his toast and watch his TV and play a little bit, and after this I'll show you how we clean up for the day. Mom! Yeah, babe. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ryan is upstairs. I already made his coffees. I thought he was going to come back down and have a little bit of breakfast with us, but he had to get ready for work, so he'll probably just reheat his coffee and I'll give him his own bar and I can get the day going. So hopefully in between playing with Cameron, I can get my shower in, I can get all of the chores done, and hopefully Cameron will cooperate with us. The only other thing I have to do is to work out. So either that will be a workout on the Peloton treadmill or a prenatal yoga. So.
Alright, so we're gonna go for a walk today. Cameron, are you ready? Cameron, you ready? You ready, babe? Mm-hmm. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Baby, I see your bump right there.
Cameron, are we looking for Meow Meows? Meow Meow.
What's that?
Meow Meow. Cat.
How come cat is meow meow? Would it be?
Cat saying meow meow.
Oh, that was mouse. Meow meow.
He calls them meow meow.
Meow meow.
He saw them and he goes meow meow.
Meow meow.
What does the kitty cat say? Meow meow. Dan's a cat, yeah.
This way, Cameron.
Playing.
Cameron? Cameron? Couldn't say, Cameron. Watch your step.
Thank you. You got 3 sneakers out. This one can go back. Did 15 minutes on the Peloton. Mom. Yeah, babe. Ay, ay, ay. Really? right? We're just gonna wait for that to come and then we're gonna clean up in the meantime, right, Cameron? Are you gonna help me fold clothes? Are you gonna help me fold your clothes? Are you sure? Alright. I think the food's here now. It's out on the porch. Gonna have Ryan and Cameron come back downstairs and let Ryan take up the laundry. We'll eat dinner, clean up the dining room table after we eat, and then figure out our boxes, take out garbage, and try to organize whatever else I can today. I spent most of the day like catering to Cameron for his nap when he had like a meltdown because he wanted to be with his dad when he was working. So hopefully we'll get to more stuff after Cameron goes to sleep, but I don't know. It's hit or miss. I might fall asleep with him because I'm already exhausted. So I think we'll have dinner now. Guacamole. No, these are mine. Avocado slices. What?
Ready, Cameron? Is this fish or what?
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.
How was your fish? Your shrimp?
Thinking about you all
Yeah.
night.
Exactly what you wanted?
I've been searching for this all my life.
No, I said ham.
He said Dan. Dan? Dan? I love the way he nods his head like we're all in agreement. Dan.
We'll go put it on. It's Dan.
Dan.
You put it on? That's how he looked at me when I
Dan. You wanna watch it?
He wants it on our TV. You want it on the TV to watch and eat dinner? No, I can do that for you.
It's on YouTube.
I'll go on the TV.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
The sleep time routine. We gotta close these blinds. This blind is right here. And Devin, you wanna watch?
I'm right here, though. Where do you want Daddy to go? Dad, not Mom.
Come, Dan. Let's watch Dan.
Lay down.
Can I take you there?
One.
Really? Emergency?
Yeah. One.
Really?
Yeah, you're bleeding.
Your call is being transferred. Please hold.
Like, I'm spotting pregnant and I don't know what I should do.
Okay, sure. Are you a patient at the office?
Yeah.
Barry told me to give you a call.
Hi.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm just having some spotting and I didn't know if I should worry about it or not.
Okay.
I have like a lot of pressure in the front and in my back and I felt sore today, but I didn't know if it was just from like carrying my toddler yesterday.
Okay, well, let me see. Hold on one second.
Okay.
Does not like, the situation with bleeding, so she would want you to get an ultrasound. It's a hard time to be going into an ER, but the options would be, going to the ER or trying to find, another location that performs ultrasound. But we do want to get, maybe checked out, make sure the cervix is okay, uterus looks good, all of those things.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we definitely don't want to see bleeding, at the peak.
Okay.
But she, does want you to get either today or tomorrow or an ultrasound.
Okay. And
Alrighty, my dear, just keep us posted.
you have the sex of the baby, by the way?
We do have the gender. Do you want to know over the phone?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 1 sec. Let me pull up your chart.
Are you nervous? I'm so nervous.
I'm not ready.
Get ready.
Please be a girl. Please be a girl. Please be a girl.
I'm gonna throw up.
So,
You ready?
you ready for this?
Yeah. I'm dying to know.
It didn't come up on your portal?
It takes a few extra days or extra weeks.
Okay, I'm just going to have you confirm your date of birth.
4/11/1990.
Okay, and what are your guesses? I like to, have a little fun with this. What do you guys think you're having?
I kept thinking a girl, but I don't want to get my hopes up, so I don't know. With my son, I knew it
what
was
do
a
you-
boy.
Well,